We as humans are part of nature, or are supposed to be part of nature, yet in recent times we become totally disconnected from the beautiful natural heritage around us. Children grow up in cities, they have no contact with animals, they have no contact with the bush, they're not even able to identify different species anymore. They do not know the joy and the privilege of contact with these animals. So education today forms an essential part of reconnecting people to the fantastic natural heritage that we have. Unless people, especially the youth, learn to treasure what we have, the little that is left will also be lost due to the fact that a whole generation is growing up totally disconnected from the natural world.